Whenever I tried to play the game, I got this error, cannot start Denuvo service. To fix this problem, now stop here and launch the game through the desktop shortcut. Select this number 1, press in keyboard number 1 key to continue and press in keyboard 1 key to restart now. Once it starts restarting, you will see the startup settings page. You need to press the 7 key to disable driver signature enforcement. After pressing the 7 key, it will boots up to our Windows. I will show you guys after that. And once you done the steps, launch the game through the desktop shortcut. We have successfully done the first step. Now select the second number and the game will automatically launch. You need to do these steps every time you want to play after shutdown. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.